To clean the plastic scraper edges, disengage them from the drive rollers, engaging the locking mechanism on the linkages. You can use a rag, or if manure is crusted on, use some sort of a chisel or sharp object, taking care not to damage the actual scraper edge. Re-engage the scrapers when finished. In order to keep snub rollers clean, which helps affect tracking, Chore-Time recommends that you clean the snub scrapers on a weekly basis. If you press down here, you can disengage it slightly from the roller, and with a sharp edge, you can scrape off any excess buildup. This helps ensure that a sharp edge is always in contact with the snub roller. Chore-Time recommends that you periodically check the drive chain to ensure that it's tight, with about a ½ inch of deflection on the loose side. Adjust the chain tensioner if necessary. Chore-Time also recommends lubricating this drive chain every other month. A spray-on lubricant is sufficient. Chore-Time recommends that you grease all bearings on a quarterly basis. There are 4 for each tier of the manure drive unit. To maintain the life and performance of the manure drive power unit, be sure to check the gearbox oil level every 6 months. This can be done by removing this plug and observing through this hole the oil level. It should come up to about the bottom of the threaded hole. To prevent injury and also to prevent excess dust from building up on chains, sprockets, and spur gears, be sure that you don't run the manure drive without the protective covers on.